Meaning of Fresno.
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 Fresno. Fresno is a city located in Central California, United States. The name Fresno comes from the Spanish language, meaning ash tree in English. The city has a population of over 500,000 and is the fifth largest city in California. Fresno is known for its agricultural industry, with crops such as grapes, almonds, and tomatoes being some of the most important commodities produced in the region. The city is also home to many cultural attractions, including museums, theaters, and art galleries, making it a popular destination for tourists and residents alike.